to make Greek Pastitsio by Anna's Kitchen.
Like this. You need 1.5 pennies of this.
I guarantee you this will be the best pastitsio you have ever tasted with the variety of ingredients my mom puts in. It's a very authentic Greek recipe, so follow closely. We start off by boiling 2 boxes of penne pasta, bring to a boil al dente. And for the bechamel cream, in a pot add 12 tablespoons of olive oil, with a 1/4 cup of butter for flavor. And add 12 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of pepper, and just leave that for now.
1 kilo of ground beef, lean ground beef. So much water. Stir the pasta. Boil the hamburger. There's some onions chopped up. As soon as the hamburger boils, then you drain it, take all the fat and all the dirt, all the fat out, and then you saute it with onions. Okay, spaghetti is gone. Put some parsley and saute with onions.
Έριξα λίγο λάδι και το κρεμμύδι το τσιγάρισα και έριξα το κιμά το σουρωμένο. Με ελαιόλαδο.
So we drained the hamburger and sauteed it with parsley and salt, pepper, half a handful of salt. Now we got to make tomato sauce to put in the hamburger. We'll put some ripe tomatoes.
Έβαλα πάλι μισό κουταλάκι στη μύτη μουσκοκάρδο, πιπέρι και αλάτι.
Oh, also there's nutmeg too, like a half a teaspoon of nutmeg.
Πολλά σκόρπια γιατί πειράζει.
So bring the hamburger to a boil. Drain it. And add a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, add 1 grated onion. A handful of chopped parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, saute for a couple of minutes and add a cup of freshly grated tomatoes, and keep mixing for a few more minutes.
Penny just went big. And it's ready, al dente. Squeeze the tomatoes. Okay, now wash the starch off the penne and drain. So you put the spaghetti in, or the penne. Some butter or margarine. Beat 1 egg.
Βάζουμε πολλά, αλλά εγώ δεν βάζω.
1 or 2 eggs. She's trying to do a diet one. You can use 2 or 3 eggs. Put some pepper in the penne and that's all. Oh, a little bit of cinnamon. So there's 1 handful of Parmesan, 2 handfuls, 3 handfuls. It's enough though. Okay, and you can use a little bit of kefalotiri. Crunch up some feta cheese. Well, it's not necessary, all those cheeses. You can just use Parmesan, but just makes it a little better. A little bit of milk. Let it dry up. And pardon the drool. It smells really nice in here. Here comes the hamburger. That's 1 kilo of hamburger. You can probably use like 2 kilos. It'd be a lot better. You just said no.
So in a big round baking pan, add the pasta, spread it around evenly. Add a 1/4 cup of margarine or butter, blend in 2 eggs, a couple of handfuls of grated Parmesan cheese, a handful of Greek Pastitsio cheese, some feta cheese, add 1 cup of milk. Optional, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon, and get your hands in there and mix it all up. And get ready to add the 2 pounds of hamburger.
Now we gotta make the cream. Okay, now the cream. So there's alright, so 12 to 13 tablespoons of flour and 12 to 13 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 cans of evaporated milk, and 1 can of water, 2 cans of water. So equal parts of evaporated milk and water. Okay, so it's 3 cans of water. 2 cans of milk. Stir. She usually makes the best bechamel cream. You found a spoon. One cup of milk. Now we just wait for it to thicken up. We have another cup of Parmesan and an egg on standby here. Once that's done, we're going to throw that in and mix it in. A little bit of pepper in the cream. It's already had some in there, but slowly but surely it'll thicken up. Now it's thickened up. Put in the Parmesan. That's tasty.
Είναι πλούσιο φαΐ και αυτό πρέπει να τρώσει ένα κομματάκι.
Very rich. More Parmesan on top. Να βγουν οι άλλοι. 350.
Ναι.
Και πόση ώρα.
Μια ώρα θα πάρει.
Okay, so you put it in the oven at 350 for about 1 hour. And it's ready. Ready to eat.
All I can say is this is by far the best pastitsio I have ever had and probably the best you will ever have too, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it, please give us a like and subscribe. To get more videos like this, thank you for watching. Cheers.